How's it going, folks? I'm AG Squared, and I have a question for you. Have you ever had an outlet that is loose and driving you crazy every time that you plug something into it, but that you've just basically accepted it because it didn't seem bad enough to do something about it? If so, this episode of my Moving into a New Home series is for you because you'll see just how easy it is to fix this. An outlet can be loose for one of two main reasons. Let's start with the easiest one to fix, and that is when one or both of the outlet screws are not tightened enough. To check this, you need a flathead screwdriver to unscrew the plate screw. Safety first. Be sure to shut off the power at the circuit breaker before continuing. Once the plate is off, simply check to see if tightening the two screws as you see behind me does the trick. Once tightened, screw the plate back on and then test. This one is now fixed. Sweet. But the second potential issue requires one extra step. This issue comes up when the outlet plate has too much separation from the drywall, which after tightening the screws will cause the outlet to be way too deep inside the drywall, similar to this. The fix, you ask, is still very easy with the use of these outlet spacers. These are awesome. They resemble a Lego block in the sense that you can attach them together like Legos. All you need to do is see how deep that gap is between the outlet and the wall when you push that outlet into it. This will determine whether you need 1, 2, 3, or several spacers to address that gap. Then you simply fold them together and feed them between the gap, making sure that the hole is facing down. This will allow the spacers to sit tightly on top of the screw. You will want to press the spacer down onto the screw until you feel it click onto it. Once done, you'll be able to screw the outlet back on. Screw the plate back, and that's all there is to it, folks. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and sharing the video with your friends, neighbors, co-workers, and the rest of your social circle. And if you are interested in learning more about DIY, do-it-yourself repairs and renovations, or topics on real estate, finance, or technology, go ahead and check my YouTube channel. What other issues do you have in your home or apartment? Let me know in the comments below, and I may just make a video to help you with that issue. And as always, folks, thank you for watching, and till next time.